$100,000 in cash, a USB with hotel footage, and a non-disclosure agreement with a $1 million penalty. Here's what Eddie Garcia just told the jury on direct examination and how his cross-examination went. I'm an attorney and I read what happened, so you don't have to. Part 1 is already up, so let's get into it. Eddie Garcia, a former hotel security guard at the Intercontinental, testified that after handing Combs the security footage, he was made to sign an NDA, an agreement stating that this was the only footage that existed. Photos of the documents were shown to the jury, which were signed and dated March 7th and were printed on Combs' company's letterhead. Garcia admitted that he didn't read the NDA closely. I was nervous. I was in a rush to get out of there, he testified. One line of the NDA read, "Recipient understands that Combs is a highly prominent recording artist, and his privacy is of material concern." Another line, "Recipient agrees to pay $1 million as liquidated damages in the event of a breach." Garcia was making $10.50 an hour at the time, working as a security officer. Garcia alleges that after he signed, Combs left and returned with a brown bag and a money counter. Garcia says that Combs counted out $100,000 in 10,000 stacks, and that Garcia had quoted him $50,000, so that he had assumed the other $50,000 was for him and another officer. Combs walked Garcia out and allegedly advised him not to make any big purchases. Garcia testified that the interaction made him nervous, and that he even checked his rearview mirrors for tails while he was leaving. About 2 weeks later, Garcia testified that he noticed that the incident report and footage were gone from the hotel security. He didn't report it, saying that it would draw more attention. When the video resurfaced in 2024, Garcia testified that he spoke with colleagues, that he wasn't initially honest with investigators. He deleted messages, but then, under counsel, admitted that Combs had paid him for the footage. On cross-examination, Combs' attorney pointed out that the NDA did allow Garcia to speak to law enforcement, and that Garcia would have just had to notify Combs' company before he did. He also pointed out that the NDA included a non-disparagement clause, to which Garcia clarified and admitted that he did not read the NDA in its entirety. That ended Garcia's testimony, and next up is Derek Ferguson, the former finance head of Combs' Enterprises. So make sure to come back and let me know if you have comments or questions down below.